Welcome to this episode of Spacecraft Guide, a channel that describes how the most historic spacecraft work. In this episode of Spacecraft Guide, we continue our work on the lunar lander, but we've made a new technology advancement. Instead of having the globe as the hotspot, we've actually made the instrument the hotspot. So if you stay to the end and you tell us what you think about this new technology, instead of using the globe as a hotspot, using the actual instrument as a hotspot, we'll have a treat for you. But you have to stay all the way to the end. So when you click on this instrument, which it takes you to the cabin suit environment control system partial CO2 pressure indicator. Now this is the indicator that Apollo 13 used to determine that they had a sufficient oxygen, breathable oxygen, in their cabin. So when you look at this gauge, what it does is it displays the partial pressure of carbon dioxide contents of gas in the ARS. So this determines whether the air is breathable or not. Before the astronauts on Apollo 13 made this scrubber, they had 15 millimeters of carbon dioxide in a partial pressure indicator. After they made the device and hooked it up to the lunar module, they had 0.2 millimeters. So that instrument right there is what told the astronauts that they would be able to safely come back to the Earth with breathable oxygen. May 3rd of 2022 was the Aim Higher Gala for Apollo 16. At the cocktail party, which was by the Lunar Module, guests were treated to the basic version of the spacecraft interactive virtual reality exhibit. In honor of that occasion, we have a special tier for a limited time, the Apollo 16 Aim Higher Gala. If you tell us about what you think of the component hotspots for $2 a month forever, you will get access to the Apollo Command Module, the Apollo Lunar Module, and the surface of the moon, all interactive exhibit. That's all for this week. If you would like to use this interactive virtual reality exhibit on the command module, the lunar module, and the surface of the moon, just go to our Patreon page and the link will be down below.